Ladies and gentlemen, today's video is all about executive summary of a business plan. The most important section of a business plan is the executive summary. It is what most readers will read first. Bankers or investors read executive summaries before looking at the rest of a plan in order to determine whether they are interested in this business and want to learn more about the business. As a smart entrepreneur, you should write the executive summary after you have completed the full business plan, including the financial projections. Having the full plan in front of you makes it much easier to identify those serious issues you want to solve. Here are 4 important points regarding your executive summary. Number 1, it should be between 1 and 3 pages long and should take only a few minutes to read. Number 2, in drafting your executive summary, you may include few sections from another important section. Number 3, the words should be chosen carefully and should be catchy, complete and interesting to read. Number 4, to make it better and better, polish your executive summary. Have several people read it, both those who know your company and those who do not. Ask for the opinion and ideas. When you write an executive summary, you can divide into 3 parts. Number 1, purpose of the business plan. This is a short section and write an main purpose for developing and presenting your business plan. Number 2, main highlights. In this part, you have to write about type of business, corporate structure, market and clients, financial feature and major action plan. Number 3, financial requirements. If one of the main objectives of your business plan is to organize additional funds, this section of the executive summary has to include few questions. They are: what is the total amount of funds you need, for which purpose, when do you need the fund, and are you seeking shareholders funds or loans or a combination of both? Is there anything else you'd like to know more about and which was included in this video? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I'll be glad if you like the video and give me some ideas on how I can improve my videos. And don't forget to subscribe.